Hey there and welcome back. Today we're taking a quick look at a super handy tool in the Unity AAC app called Word Finder. Word Finder helps you locate words in the vocabulary so you can learn where they live and how to say them. It's a great way to explore Unity and build confidence using it. Here's how it works. From your vocabulary screen, choose Keyboard. Then select the Word Finder key in the top right corner. Type the word you're looking for in the search bar. Choose Find. If the word is part of Unity, you'll see the icon sequence appear on the screen. Select the right arrow, and Unity will guide you through the sequence step by step.
Run.
It's that easy, and it's a great way to learn new words or double-check where something is. Give it a try and see what you can discover. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more AAC tips and tricks. See you next time.